Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today, fix my hands so y'all can hear me. Today we are going to do, it's a chicken bacon ranch type of casserole, well broccoli chicken bacon ranch kind of casserole. It's just a quick thing that I do, you know, when you're getting home from work and you really don't have time to just stand over the stove and do a bunch of stuff. So this is just my quick and easy go-to dinner. That has some vegetables, has some protein, and just gets the job done in like 20 minutes. So, and the 20 minutes is pretty much the oven doing the work. Like you don't really have, the prep time is like 4 minutes maybe. Give or take depending on how long we got to put the broccoli in the microwave, but I will get there in a minute. So if you want to see this quick and easy recipe for busy work night, please keep watching. Alright guys, so these are the ingredients. We're doing about half a bag of chicken breast strips. It was already in my freezer, but you can easily just get some rotisserie chicken. And you're looking for roughly about 12 ounces of meat. It doesn't matter. Y'all, I promise it really doesn't matter. I got a little cooking spray that I'm going to put on my little 9x13 pan here before I put it in the oven. I got my oven preheating over there to 350. I've got some sweet Vidalia onion salad dressing, and I've got some ranch dressing. The original thought premise of this was just to use ranch, but I love it when you add a little bit of that to it. That's just my personal preference. Alright, so I got some garlic powder, black pepper, salt, paprika. We're going to use about half a bag of shredded cheese. You can use any kind of flavor you want is fine. This is just a really big bag. I might not even use a whole half of this, but you'll see. We're just going to eyeball it. Half a bag of bacon pieces. By all means, if you have extra bacon, use it. Two steaming bag broccoli florets. We're just going to pop these in the microwave real quick. On the back of this, it does say for 4 to 5 minutes, but we're going to put both of them at the same time. The oven is going to finish cooking these. I'm just trying to go ahead and get everything started cooking. So hang tight and I'll be right back. Okay, lovies, so I just put one bag of broccoli in here and realized I need to do this on camera. So here's the other bag that went in. Broccoli. Okay. And this is pretty much just a dump recipe. So now, hold that thought. The bacon bits, about half the bag. You could do more if you like more. In fact, I'm going to do the whole bag because I'm living life on the edge this week. Don't eat that. Alrighty, and so a little bit of cheese, a little bit of cheese. Okay, so I'm going to mix this up and add my seasonings, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've mixed kind of everything up with a little seasonings, and so now I'm going to take this and kind of go like this. 1, 2. That's what I'm going to do to that. And then the ranch dressing I'm going to put in and keep putting in until I get the consistency that I want. And I'll show you what that looks like here in just a minute. Okay, lovies, so all I did was I just wanted to make it to where it looks like it's wet. If you can tell, that's just how much ranch I put in. I put in like a little drizzle and then kind of mixed it up. And then another little drizzle, but I wanted it to look wet. I want to make sure everything is moist. And I know a lot of people don't like that word, and I'm sorry. But I just wanted to give it the wet, glistening appearance. So all that's left now is to top with a little bit of cheese, and we're going to put it in the oven for about 20 minutes. Alright, my loves. That's the finished product. Isn't that pretty? And if you have some extra time, you know, hit it under the broiler and let the cheese get brown. But, you know, we don't have that kind of time right now. So that is why mine just looks like that. But, y'all, it is so good. So good. Thanks for hanging out. Please hit the subscribe button and I'll catch y'all next time.